Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you some affordable range of casual wear items, and all these items are available in the website. If you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 91766411794. Both our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box, so kindly do check it. And also we will be updating new collections every day by 11 o'clock. So kindly do follow our YouTube page and also on website, so that you will be get notified on our new collections. So without any delays, let me start showing you the item. The first item is the cotton item. Okay, so this is a completely printed cotton top. This is how the top will be. You will be getting a complete printed pattern, and also you will be getting a very minute sequence work all over the top. Okay, I hope you could see this. So this is a simple top, but looks very pretty when you stitch and wear it actually. Okay, so this is how the top. This is a kind of peachish pink combination. Soft cotton set this is. Okay, so this is how the top looks. It's a completely printed soft cotton top with a very minute sequence work. You will be getting all over the top. The back portion you won't be getting any sequence work, only the printed work will be there, but in the front portion you will be getting a very minute sequence work. And this comes with a plain peachish pink color bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and a cream color completely printed cotton dupatta. Very soft, very comfortable dupatta. This is how the set looks. Very lengthy dupatta also. Okay, such a very elegant item. This is priced only at 990 with free shipping. It's a completely printed cotton top, peachish pink color cotton top with a plain cotton bottom, and you will be getting a completely printed cotton dupatta, priced only at 990 with free shipping. We have got one more color in this. So this is peachish pink. The next is blue color, green and blue combination. This is how the print will be. Such a beautiful combination this is. Okay, the complete sequence work pattern. This is how the top looks. Okay, completely printed cotton top, and you will be getting a plain blue color bottom with this, and this is the dupatta. Very soft dupatta this is, will be very comfortable to wear. Okay, completely printed cotton dupatta. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at 990 with free shipping. We have got two colors in this. One is peachish pink and the next one is blue color. Both are priced at 990 with free shipping. It's a cotton top with a cotton bottom and a cotton dupatta. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a soft cotton item. So this is the first color. Okay, so this is a kind of apple green color cotton top with a complete printed pattern, and you will be getting a very beautiful work in the yoke portion. This is how the work will be. So this is how the top looks. It's a very beautiful color actually, kind of light apple green color. This is completely printed cotton set. Okay, the very beautiful work in the yoke portion. This is how the top looks. Okay, completely printed top with a very beautiful work in the yoke portion, and you will be getting a plain cotton bottom with this. This is the bottom, same color bottom, and a completely printed chiffon dupatta. So this is again a very lengthy dupatta with a complete printed pattern. This is how the dupatta will be. Such a beautiful item this is. It's an apple green color printed cotton top with a plain cotton bottom, and you will be getting a completely printed chiffon dupatta, priced only at 990 with free shipping. In this we have got four colors. So this is the first color. It's an apple green color. The next is light grey. So all the colors in this set will be very good. So this is a light grey color top with a very beautiful work. All is the complete hand work. So for 990 it's really worth the buy, so don't miss it. So this is how the top looks. The light grey color soft cotton set, and this comes with a plain cotton bottom and a printed chiffon dupatta, and you will be getting borders on all the four sides in the dupatta. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at 990 with free shipping. So the next is pink. Okay, so this is a beautiful pink color, the very beautiful work in the yoke portion. The fabric is cotton, and you will be getting a printed chiffon dupatta and a plain cotton bottom. So this is how the set looks. Such a beautiful print, looks very good when you stitch and wear it actually. So this is how the top will be, and you will be getting a plain cotton bottom and a completely printed chiffon dupatta. Okay, So this is how the set looks. Very lengthy dupatta. This is, I hope you could see the length of the dupatta. Such a beautiful item, priced only at 990 with free shipping. So we have got one more color, that's a beautiful yellow. Okay, so this is a very beautiful yellow color. So this is how the top will be. So this is not too bright or too dull yellow. Such a beautiful pleasant yellow this is how the color will be. So we have uploaded the pictures in our website also. So for reference, kindly do check our website. So this is how the top looks. Such a beautiful yellow color, completely printed cotton top with a plain cotton bottom, same color bottom, and you will be getting a same color chiffon dupatta. Very lengthy and a very beautiful chiffon dupatta. This is priced only at 990 with free shipping. Now let's move on to the next item. Next item is a batik item, Bhagalpur cotton fabric. This is okay. So this is how the top will be. The fabric is Bhagalpur cotton. On top of it, you will be getting a complete batik pattern, and this comes with a slightly printed bottom. So you will be getting a minute prints in the bottom and a printed chiffon dupatta. So this is one of our hit item actually. So this is how the top looks. Okay, so this is the completely printed batik printed Bhagalpur cotton top. You will be getting a printed pattern all over the top, and this is the back portion. In the back portion also you will be getting a batik pattern in the neck, around the neck. Okay, so this is how the top looks. So you will be getting a complete batik pattern, and this comes with a printed bottom, dark navy blue color printed, slightly printed bottom this is, and you will be getting a dual shaded Bhagalpur cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. You will be getting a dual shades in the dupatta with a complete batik patterns. This is how the set looks. So this set is priced at 950 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. So this is a kind of light blue with dark navy blue color combination. We have got a beautiful combination in this. So the next is dark pink with green color combination. So this is the top, the completely batik dyed Bhagalpur cotton top, and this is the dupatta, and you will be getting a green color bottom. So you will be getting a minute print in the back portion also. So this is how the back portion will be, and this is the front portion. Okay, so this is not red, this is a kind of a dark pink, and this is the bottom. You will be getting a printed bottom. You will be getting a print in the bottom portion alone, remaining everything will be plain. Okay, so this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. Dual shaded Bhagalpur cotton dupatta this is. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at 950 with free shipping. All these items are available in the website. So if you like to book any of the items, kindly do log into the website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com. So the next is a beautiful yellow with green color combination. This is how the print will be. Very beautiful color combination these are all, and the fabric will be very comfortable to wear. Okay, so this is how the top looks. So the front portion you will be getting a complete batik pattern, and the back portion you will be getting a print only around the neck, remaining everything will be plain. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and this is the bottom. You will be getting a print only in the bottom portion of the pant, remaining everything will be plain, and this is the dupatta. Dual shaded Bhagalpur cotton dupatta. So this is a very comfortable fabric and also very lengthy fabric. So this is priced only at 950 with free shipping. We have got one more color in this, that's black with maroon. So the last one is this is dark black. Okay, this is not grey, this is black, and you will be getting a maroon color dupatta and bottom with this. So this is one of our hit item actually. Looks very good when you stitch and wear it. Okay, so this is how the top looks. It's a black color cotton top, and you will be getting a dark maroon color bottom and a dual shaded Bhagalpur cotton dupatta. Okay, this is a very lengthy dupatta. I hope you could see the length of the dupatta also. This is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at 950 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the collections, whatever I have shown you. All these items are available in the website. So kindly do log into the website and start placing your orders. Our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. Kindly do check it. I'll meet you all tomorrow with the new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.